Alright, today we're learning Music to My Eyes from the soundtrack for A Star Is Born. It's in standard tuning. We have a little bit of a lead line that I'm going to break down note for note for you guys. It's in 6/8 time, so I'll also break down that strumming pattern. It's not terribly difficult, and we have one bar chord shape that we have to learn for this song. Really fun song to play, great soundtrack. My name is Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos. Let's get started. Alright, before we jump into the chords here, let's talk about the song form. We've got the intro lead line. Verse 1, chorus, intro lead line again, another verse, chorus, the intro lead line, which takes us out to the end of the song, which ends on a D. Okay, so let's talk about the chords we need. We've got a standard G major, E minor, a D. Alright, then we've got one bar chord shape that we have to get down. It's the F sharp minor. Alright, so if you haven't done bar chords and you've kind of been avoiding them, now's the perfect time to start. So we're going to put our third finger on the 4th fret 5th string, our pinky on the 4th fret 4th string, and our index is going to bar all 6. And that's going to be the sound. If you want to hear if you're getting it down correctly, you just push down and you pluck each string individually. Alright, if you're hearing like, that means you're not putting enough pressure there. I always put my thumb on the back right behind my index finger so I can kind of grip it like a vice or something like that. And the closer you put your index up to that 2nd fret when you're doing a bar chord, the less pressure you're going to have to apply. They are a little bit difficult, but you guys can get it. There is an F minor bar chord, but it's the exact same shape. So you've got this F sharp minor, and then you got this F minor that kind of happens in this little Beatles walk down thing. Okay, so let's talk about that lead line before we jump into the chords here. So the lead line is this. Pretty simple. So let me break that down again. Just like that. So now let's play it really slow. Okay? Now let's break it down note for note. You're going to put your index finger on the 2nd fret 3rd string, and then you're going to put your middle finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string. So, and then back to that 2nd fret 3rd string, and then I move my index up to the 3rd fret 3rd string, and I kind of bar it back so I can get to the 3rd fret 2nd string. Alright, so let's do those first two moves. 3rd fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, same finger, I just tilt it back. Then my middle finger goes to the 4th fret, 3rd string. Then I go back to that 3rd fret, 2nd string. Then my 3rd finger plays the 5th fret, 3rd string. And then I go back to that 3rd fret, 2nd string, back to that 5th fret, 3rd string. Alright, so let's do that again. 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, tilt it back, 3rd fret, 2nd string, middle finger comes, 4th fret, 3rd string, back to that 3rd fret, 2nd string, 5th fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, back to that 5th fret, 3rd string. Alright, so just like that. So after that in the intro, you're going to do a G, E minor, D. So that brings us to the strumming pattern that we're going to use for the entire song. And all we're going to do is go down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The strong beat is 1 and 4. So strong, weak, weak, strong, weak, weak. And it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. If you've never done a 6/8 time strumming pattern, just practice that just on one chord for a little while. So back to the intro. We've got the lead line, And then we're going to do the chords that lead us into the verse. So we've got G, down, up, E minor, down, up, and one strum on D. So again, that's G, down, up, E minor, down, up, and one strum on D, which leads us into the pickup notes of the melody for the verse. Your music to my D, down, up, to E minor, down, to the F sharp minor bar chord, back to E minor, down, A, down, down, D, down, and one strum on A. So let's do that first half of that verse again. You've got D, down, up, 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 E minor, down, up, F sharp minor, E minor, down, A, down, up, D, down, and one strum on A. Second half of the verse, I want to learn your every D, down, up, D, down, E minor, down, up, F sharp minor, down, up, A, down, up, B, down, up, A, down, up. So I'm gonna walk you through that second half of that verse again. So you've got, I want to learn your every D, down, up, E minor, down, F sharp minor, down, up, A, down, up, D, down, up, A, down, and that leads you into the chorus. So when you go from that F sharp minor to the F minor to the E minor, it's I want to play the part to reach your heart. So F sharp minor, I want to, just one strum on that F minor, play the part to reach your heart. So let's talk about the chorus then. You've got D, music, E minor. That's the part we're going for. So D, down, up, F sharp minor, down, up, G, down, up, E minor, D, down, up, F sharp minor, G, E minor, one strum on A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back to the lead line after you strum the D. So it would be like G, G, down, up, E minor, which takes you into the second verse where Lady Gaga comes in. Let's look at that chorus again, just a little bit slower. This is Love, Let Your Music Be Mine. So D, down, up, F sharp minor, G, E minor, D, F sharp minor, G, E minor, one strum on A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then D into the lead line. And I try to let that fourth string ring while I play that line. And again, that's where Lady Gaga comes in. And then you've got another verse, another chorus, just like the earlier ones. And then you've got another lead line to end the song. So when you end the song, it would go G, E minor, and then end with a D. Give it a little shake. Give it that vibrato sound. Okay, that's everything you guys need to know to play Music to My Eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit like and subscribe. We really appreciate the support. And we're going to try our hardest to provide as much value as we can to the beginner guitar community out there. Come back next time.